Hello guys, this is my 2015 bike check. Let's start off with the bar ends. We got some Odyssey bar ends and some Colt fan grips, some total GS bars with a fit d.l.r stem with carbon fibre spacers, a Demolition V2 headset, and some unknown bada bing bada boom forks with a salt complete rim and hub and stuff. We got an animal butcher peg in 4.5 inches with a demolition hub guard. That is with a fit FEF 2.25 tyre. We've got some vocal valentine cranks with some Conley pedals. We got a primo sprocket in there in red. We got the Odyssey, I think it's the ratchet seat, a pivotal seat with a pivotal seat post. Then we got a salt chain on there when I got it. Then we got another fit FEF tyre in 2.25. Another animal butcher peg in 4.5 again with the plastic sleeves. We got the profile hub guard and a profile mini hub in red. And then we got some BSD spokes, stainless steel in black, and then we got a illegal rim. What's actually holding up for a cheap rim? I'm actually quite surprised.